Good morning, hello and welcome everyone. Myself Sandeep. Today I discuss about cell structure and function. This is the part for civil services part 1. At first follow quick success channel, like, share, subscribe. This part also consists of cell biology and others, cell structure and function. This syllabus, this chapter include all competitive and civil services examination. This is part 1. What is the definition of cell? A cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life's process. This is the figure of a cell. This cell consists of some cell organelles like cell membrane. It is the outer part of the cell. This is three-dimensional structure. This is called cell membrane, and the middle part is called nucleus. Nucleus consists of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the genetic unit or genetic basis of cell. Chromosomal unit, and this is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums are two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is lysosome, this is ribosome, this is mitochondria. Mitochondria is called energy source of cell, and Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is called suicidal apparatus or suicidal gland. This is the cell structure. This figure is a cell. A cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life processes. Next slide, the introduction. Introduction of cell biology. The basic structural unit of an organs is known as cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. This is the discovery of cell. A cell is a living organism. A human body has trillions of cells. A human which is very shapes and size. The organisms which is made up of more than one cell is known as multicellular organism, and single cell is called unicellular organism. Cell is basic structural unit of an organism. Discovery in 1665, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. A cell is a living organism. A human body has trillions of cells. A human which is vary in shape and size. Next, the organism which is made up of more than one cell is known as multicellular, and single cell, only single cell, is called unicellular. Types of cells are similar to factories which is different levers and department that works toward a common objective. Various types of cell perform different function based on cellular structure. There are two types of cell. First of all, prokaryotic cell and second, eukaryotic cell. This is the types of cell. Amoeba. Amoeba is called single cell organism known as unicellular organism. This is the structure or figure of amoeba. The single celled organs perform all the essential functions that each multicellular organism perform. Unlike other organisms, amoeba has no definite shape, no shape and size, so it keeps on changing its shape. Amoeba has pseudopodia, which means pseudo means false, podia means feet, false feet. This is called pseudopodia. P-S-C-U-D-O-P-O-D-I-A, pseudopodia, and this part is called pseudopod. Amoeba is full-fledged organism capable of independent existence. Shape of the cells are normally round, spherical or elongated. Protoplasm is known as the living substance of the cell. The cells having nuclear substances without nuclear membrane are known as prokaryotic cell. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae, etc. The cells have well-organized nucleus which with a nuclear membrane are designated as eukaryotic cell, or multicellular organism are eukaryotic cell. This is called nucleus, this is food vacuoles, this is mitochondria, this is endoplasmic reticulum, this is cell membrane, and middle vacuole is called contractile vacuole, and this is called lysosome. This is the structure of amoeba. This is called unicellular organism. Cell structure and function. The basic part of cell are called membrane. Outer part, basic part of cell is called membrane. Cytoplasm and nucleus. তাহলে cell membrane and then cytoplasm and nucleus, all are the basic part of a cell, and this is called mitochondria. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is porous and allows certain substances or material move both inward and outward. The central dense round structure in the center is known as nucleus. The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and cell membrane known as cytoplasm. Different organelles of cell are also present in cytoplasm, such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosome, etc. Located in central part, nucleus is almost in spherical shape. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a porous membrane known as nuclear membrane. The smaller and spherical structure found inside the nucleus known as nucleolus. The smaller and spherical structure found inside the nucleus called nucleolus. Nucleus contain thread-like structure known as chromosome. Nucleus contain chromosome. Chromosome carry genes and helps in inheriting the characteristic of parents to the offspring. Gene is a fundamental unit of inheritance in living organism. The entire consistence of a living cell known as protoplasm, which include nucleus and cytoplasm. This is the general structure and function of cell. Next slide. Plant cell. Plant cell is very important part in biology. The cell membrane provides shape to the cells of plants and animals. In plant cell, cell wall is an additional covering over the cell membrane. This is called cell wall. Cell wall is additional covering over the cell membrane. An animal cell does not have cell wall. Cell wall gives shape and rigidity to plant cells. Cell wall gives protection. Plant cells need protection against varying temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. Bacterial cell also has cell wall. Bacterial cells are like plant cell and they consist cell wall like plant cell. Usually most of the cells are microscopic in size and are not visible to naked eye. Usually all cells are microscopic in size. The size of smallest cell 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer found in bacteria. The size of largest cell is 170 millimeter to 130 millimeter found in the egg of an ostrich. This is the largest cell. Smallest cell micrometer in bacteria 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. The size of cell, however, has no relation with size of the body of the animal or plant. Some small colored bodies in the cytoplasm of the cell of Tridentia leaf known as plastid. Plastid are found in different colors. Plastid are three types: chloroplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast and leucoplast. Some plastids have green pigment and known as chlorophyll. Green colored plastids are known as chloroplast. Chloroplast give green color to the leaves. Chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis. Conclusion: cells are the smallest common denominator of life. Some cells are organisms into themselves, others are part of multicellular organisms. A cell are made from the same major classes of organic molecules: nucleic acid, protein, carbohydrate and lipids. This is the basic part of cell biology. This part includes the basic unit for all competitive exam, civil services exam and other biological and other examination. This is my today's session. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe my channel Quick Success for more update and press the bell icon for upcoming new video. Thank you.